Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, here with my son. We were actually just at this massive raised garden bed. I have had several raised garden beds sent. This one here is extra big because it is actually an 8-foot by 4-foot by 2-foot deep. This 4-foot width would be fantastic for doing any kind of wonderful gardening out there, and they do provide you with these braces to put across the middle, which I absolutely love, because once you fill this thing up with soil, it's going to be putting some outwardly pressure on this, which this is really nice metal. This is thick gauge metal. They did provide you with all of the hardware, including the tools to put the hardware on, and a nice set of gloves. And I'm loving the fact that the top of this one, they provided us with this. I can show you over here. Actually can peel off and put back on. This is actually a rubberized edge. The edge of this actual thing is not sharp anyway, but you know, this just adds an extra level of comfort to that, knowing that if I've got kids out here crawling in here, wanting to garden in here, it's not going to be cutting their hands or anything, which is really fantastic. Loving the color. This is going to fit really nicely if you're doing this outdoor. It's a really nice finish on this. Again, solid metal construction. It's not overly heavy, but once you get that thing filled up where you want it with some soil, this is going to make great. We're going to be able to put lots of tomatoes and other herbs in this garden bed. So thank you guys for sending it.